We're gonna make a final. We're gonna make a Ward 8. A Ward 8 this week on how to drink. Ward 8. Word 8. This is where my New Jersey accent seems to run into problems. Because we would say it Ward 8. Ward 8. Ward 8. But that sounds like Word 8. And it's not W-O-R-D 8. It's W-A-R-D. So that'd be like Ward 8. Ward 8. The Ward 8. Ward 8. It's somewhere between an O and an A. It's sort of got an umlaut or something. It's like a Ward 8. Ward 8. Make it a Ward 8. Whew, I think I got it that time. We're going to shake this cocktail. We're going to shake this cocktail in a shaker. Look at that. I just did it. I did it again. That's right, Ossifer. I can walk a straight line. I thought I could catch it behind my back. Now, I don't know why I thought I could do that, because I've never been able to do that, drunk or sober, so. Yeah, really got away from me there. Perfect 1 point landing there. A lot of people ask me how I crack ice so well on the show. The truth is that the spoon is just for effect. I'm just tapping it like a magic trick. The real thing is that I just have incredible grip strength. I just crush it directly in my hand. What the fuck is in that? Did something go bad? Is that what it's supposed to taste like? It tastes like feet.
How much lemon juice did you put in? You said 1/4 ounce. The recipe says 1/2 ounce, but I can't imagine that would change it that
No, I put in a 1/2 ounce.
You did do a half.
Maybe you just hate the drink.
Why don't you guys try this real quick? I'm not even joking. Am I losing my mind? What the hell?
Grenadine, orange
Does the
juice.
grenadine have down there?
You just made it today.
Oh, you're right though. It could be the grenadine actually. In a weird way, yes, that could be what it is.
Don't balance. Not that we don't talk about food very like sour without.
No, it tastes right. Maybe I put too much orange flower water in it, but it's not bad.
You put in orange flower water?
And grenadine, yeah.
Oh, and the grenadine. Okay.
All right, well, let's try that one more second time. Let me just cleanse my palate for a second. Hold on a second. What the fuck?
Maybe you just hate the drink. Can I try it?
I'm so curious.
It tastes like an old foot.
I don't say that. It feels like it's missing something though. It does feel like it's on. It's kind of like.
It just tastes like a cocktail. I don't.
Oh, really? It doesn't. Okay, so maybe it's
At
just
least
me.
to me, it doesn't taste. I mean, I don't particularly like it.
It feels like.
I like it.
I
I have to know.
I don't know like the right
Curiosity
word.
killing.
Thin's like not the right word, but it's like it feels like it's missing something to round it out.
There's some note, man. It's like just like this herbaceous thing that comes in on the second stroke.
Oh, yeah, I don't like
Yeah.
that.
It's like very like lemony and citrusy. Like I don't know. It doesn't have.
It doesn't taste like that to me. It tastes like mold.
Yeah, yeah. When you like breathe in with it, it's something. What else could be? Lemons? Are you sure oranges? I don't know.
Maybe you just don't like it.
Yeah.
I mean, to me, it doesn't taste like there's anything.
The orange juice good. Yeah, that's what it says.
When I breathe in, I taste something.
It's not my favorite orange juice, but it's not bad.
But you used it for the.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
You're using cherries? Cherries aren't so bad.
They don't.
Now nobody killed the drink.
To me, it doesn't taste like it's a horrible. It just tastes like a not good cocktail. It doesn't taste like there's like something expired in that cocktail.
Okay. I agree.
This is a
How do I handle this?
This is a state of emergency. This is threat level red.
Yep.
You should bring up the different threat levels for how to train and walk through the
I think
colors.
you can say, everyone's always looking for you to not like a cocktail. I think you can be honest and say, like, honestly,
But when I've done that, people have said that you should have figured out how to make it better. And then it's like, so.
Just pour more whiskey. I found more right after.
That's what I feel like. I feel like it doesn't. I feel like I don't taste the whiskey. I feel like I just taste like lemon juice and orange juice and I don't know.
I think it's really funny when you're sitting up in the future talking about like what you look genuinely like shocked that there was like a death in the family.
All right, what's what we're going to do?
add absinthe.
No. Get me 3 eggs from my fridge while I spin this. We're going to do this drink twice.
You're gonna make it a sour?
It is a sour.
I know.
Is
but
it frothy?
do you think the eggs are gonna help it?
Yeah.
Isn't there like a controversy with eggs right now?
I don't know. Rinse. Just pick 3 eggs out of my fridge and rinse them off and bring them down.
There's a controversy about eggs.
I don't know about that. You're making that shit up. All right, so let's try this Ward 8. There's been some of it's mysteriously disappeared from my glass. I get like the lemon